All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We are just around the corner from something very special, guys. Now, we've got a lot to cover in today's video as to why I do believe that it is time to be getting long on a lot of our positions, guys. And what I've actually done today is I've actually entered a long for ICP. We did say that when we had the retest, we we're going to do a massive big balls long, guys. And to be honest, you know, I'm on the 15-minute chart, cool. Even if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that I've got my mega long level here, guys. But it looks like we're starting to have some bullish engulfing candles for ICP. Now, this could still come down and retest this channel over the coming day or so. That is fine. But I don't want to miss this long opportunity for ICP. Now, guys, I mean, look, you're seeing on the total free altcoin market cap, like we've been tracking for how long? You guys let me know in the comments how long I've been tracking it, that we're coming up to the upper area of resistance. So again, we could get the lower retest, but I'm just being a little bit more degen. Wouldn't recommend it, but I don't want to miss out on this move, guys. So remember, it looks like our altcoins are going to start to have another retest over this weekend coming into next week. There's a lot of real world adoption coming next week, guys. I mean, did you see Trump to launch World Liberty Financial Crypto Company or platform on September 16th, which is next week, Monday? It's basically, I think it's his son's platform. Okay, so again, don't get too attached saying this is Donald Trump. I think it's actually Donald Trump Jr.'s platform. But look, you can see they're embracing the future of crypto, leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind. We're getting super into the elections right now, guys. We've got like, what, a month and a half left. So again, this could be something that starts to get priced in to the price of Bitcoin and in our altcoins. And it looks like we're starting to leave our extreme fear and go into fear/neutral again. Bitcoin is again nearly at 59k, right? So there's still going to be some resistance around this time. But look, on a time basis, I'm not trying to wait too long and say, well, I want to wait for ICP to go down to $8. What is it? $8.20, $8.10. Because why are we sweating over 20-cent moves? Doesn't make sense to me. Now, we've got a lot of stuff to talk about. We said we're going to check out all the Bob stuff in a second, guys. And remember, like, if you want to support me, if you want to make sure that the channel keeps growing, then smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, leave me a comment as well to let me know how you're feeling about the market. But 400,000 ICP just minted. Also, on a 7-day average, we've been burning 3 trillion cycles a second, guys. Now, that has come down quite a lot over the past couple of days. We'll get into the Bob stuff. We'll get into the MSQ stuff in a second. Chill. But look, I mean, we're still hovering around, you know, between 1 to 3 trillion cycles a second, which is going to be about an ICP burnt every second. I had to Google it, but there are 86,000 seconds in a day. Don't tell me you guys knew that. You had to Google it too. Right, there's 86,000 seconds in a day. 86,000 ICP can be burnt a day. How many days is that? 5 days to burn that unlock. And was that an unlock? Was that maturity being transferred into ICP? You guys can let me know. There's been a lot of up and down with Bob.fun. Now, I mean, initially, this was very positive for the ICP ecosystem. But after closer inspection, I mean, is it really that fair? Now, a lot of you guys made some valid points to say, not wasting my valuable ICP. And that is, you know, that's fair enough. But then also, you know, I said to you guys, I'm not going to be buying Bob because I can imagine when people mine, they're going to want to hold ICP. They're going to want to dump the Bob and then swap it for ICP. That's exactly what's been happening. It was at $3 the other day when we covered it. We'll check it today. You can see on Bob.fun, guys, we're under $1 right now. Okay, so something to bear in mind is that it is a little bit skewed on who is actually mining the most Bob tokens. You can see here these miners at the top. I mean, 67 miners, 70 blocks mined. Okay, 2 miners, 59 blocks mined. Little bit sus, guys. And this is an open source as well, so you know, another reason for us to be a little bit like, don't know how fair this is. If you go down and scroll through these blocks, you can see, you know, total cycles burned for some of these miners. You're looking at 225 trillion cycles. We're doing 2 trillion cycles a day. So that's going to be 100 ICP to mine a block of Bob. How much is ICP today? It's $8. That's $800 in USD value. And if we're getting 600 Bob and it's currently costing, you know, 99 cents, not very profitable at the moment. So, I mean, we'll look at our mining and you can see we're coming to the end. to be honest. I don't know if I want to continue to burn ICP for too much longer, being that it's a little bit up in the air with how fair it is. Again, if the team can come out with some more info on, you know, the code behind it to show that it is fair, then maybe we can continue to put some ICP into it. But just bear in mind, be careful, because I did make a video on it like a couple of days ago. Just be careful if you are like burning a lot of ICP. At the moment, it looks like the amount of miners, I mean, we're at 12,000 miners, 15,000 miners, 17,000 miners now. It makes it a lot more harder for you guys to actually start to mine blocks. And then the decrease in price, you know, is it really profitable for you guys? You got to bear that in mind. And this isn't going to be like a Bob video, but look, just to show you an ICP swap, this is where we talked about Bob up here, and this is where I said probably not going to buy it. Look where we are now. Okay, the miners have been dumping as expected, but more projects coming out. A lot of you guys said in the comments, copycat projects. Burn was the token of yesterday. Okay, I took a little bit of a day to say, let me think about this. Are we going to be investing in MSQ? Now, I mean, it's cool to see another Bob-like project coming and building on the internet computer. However, again, I just don't know if I want to be burning ICP at this stage of the market. I mean, it's cool that it's, you know, mining, I think it was like mining meme coins, mining other coins and stuff like that as well. But it's MetaMask based. So, you know, is it really being built on the internet computer? You guys can let me know what your opinions on that. You know, if it was linked through internet identity or even like plug on it, Bitfinity, something like that, maybe I'll trust it a little bit more. But again, when you're seeing a lot of these new projects coming up and they're going to copy the cheat sheet now and say, right, this is burning ICP, mine these blocks, just make sure that, you know, it's open source code and you guys do your research into it. So again, MSQ, I'm keeping my eye on it, but right now, not invested. Now guys, Bitcoin, altcoins, look where we are. We are so close to altcoin season. We're so close to October. Someone comment October in the comments. I'm going to send you one ICP, right? I'll send you one ICP next video. You'll be rich. But look, Bitcoin dominance is still in a year-long bearish triangle. Wicks and deviations are allowed, but the 3-week MACD has not crossed bearish yet. When it does, it's going to be a massive altcoin season like 2017, 2021. Patience is bitter, but fruit is sweet. And then another thing that we speak about on the channel quite a lot is the gold to Bitcoin correlation. Now you can see every single time that we've had a spike in the price of gold, we've been in a consolidation for Bitcoin. When we then roll over and we have a dump time for gold, we have a pumpy time for Bitcoin. And if you can see here, I mean, we're in a massive parabolic state for gold right now. Gold in the blue, Bitcoin in the black. Look where we are. We're having a consolidation while gold is printing a massive blow off top, guys. This would be the time to be accumulating our Bitcoin and then obviously seeing the money flow go all the way down into Ethereum, into ICP, into some of our top altcoins as well. Volume's one that you guys should all be keeping your eyes on, okay? And again, like some of these red bars that are massive red bars don't just indicate 100% selling volume the same way that these big green bars don't just represent 100% buying volume, okay? It'll be a mixture of both. You just need to see the actual candle close as well. Now, if you see here and you ignore the COVID crash, right, before we had this massive expansion, you can see the volume was near to none. Then coming into the parabolic rally, we've had nearly a double the amount of volume, guys. Have we had this massive blow off top volume for Bitcoin? It doesn't look like it, guys. Look at this compared to this. And people are saying that the bull run is over, okay? We haven't even had our blow off top volume to capture all this liquidity above us. Remember, we've got like $19 billion worth of shorts all above us here. Let's actually mark that as well. Got it all here, guys, and the market makers are not going to leave it behind. They're not going to leave all this liquidity up here and then say, do you know what? Bear market, we'll catch this one in 4 years, okay? Everyone that posts all these bear posts and say bull market's over, bear market's here, 40k, 30k, 20k first. Guys, half of them don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Again, are you going to sell when we're retesting the 50 MA? Every time we've had a retest of the 50 MA, we've had something like, you know, between a 50 and 100% rally. If we have a 50% rally from where we are now, again, that's going to bring us to like 80, 90k. 100% rally brings us to around 105, 110k. So for ICP, guys, we're going to be entering our mega long for ICP. We're going to do a very long term long as well. So hopefully we can hold this as the retest. And if you guys want to trade with me, then I've got a special giveaway with Blowfin, guys. Again, if you deposit $100 or have 50k in volume, you get $30 futures bonus, all the way up to a 20k deposit, giving you a $10,000 futures bonus as well, guys. So if you want to go and trade with me, then number one, you can go and join the members club to get all the exclusive trades. Number two, go and check out the Blowfin link in the description, because we're going to be making the most money that we can from all the exchanges, from the markets, and we're going to be making sure that we ride this wave into the bull run. But that's it, guys. If you made it this far, smash that like button. Let me know what you guys think of the current mining projects. Are you getting in on any? Are you getting an MSQ? Until next time, it's been Boy Lex Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.